Hi SBI people, this is Thea once again and welcome back to VGK. In this video, our topic is all about debit or credit card hold, also known as pre-authorization transactions or pre-auth. This video will be the answer for those cardholders who are freaking out when they see their banking transactions that has been charged twice or thrice, and why the hold amount cannot be released back to their card right away, or why their card has been charged $100 even they only purchase $20 gas at the gas pump. I know some of you are still confused of how this works, so I will give you more information about hold, tips or incidental charges on the first swipe of your card to any POS terminals, and why the time frame hold varies from 3, 5, 7, 10, 14, and 21 day hold. So let's begin. Whether your card is a credit card or debit card, when you pay something to any merchant, they will check to your bank if your card is legit. If the bank computer system respond that is legit, then they will go through your transactions. If the bank computer system says it's not legit, the merchant declines your card. When you pay your groceries and they require to enter your PIN, this is similar to withdrawing cash at the ATM. The money comes out of your account right away. But to some merchants that is providing services like hotels, car rentals, mail-in for repair service, gas pump, and others, put a temporary hold on the payment amount using your credit or debit card. Temporary hold, also known as pre-authorization. But how does it work? Say for example, you check in at the hotel and planning to stay for 5 days. Hotel is charging $150 for a day. Since you're planning to stay for 5 days, the hotel is supposed to charge your card $750. But you are shocked because they charge your card a $900. It's because hotels are adding 15 to 20% incidental charges. Meaning, what if you accidentally break the table or the lampshade? This 20% will cover that. Pre-authorization are composed of three-step process when it comes to posting on your transaction statement. The first step is it will be posted on your transactions as POS pre-authorization of $900. This $900 will be deducted from your running balance, but it does not mean that it is taken away out of your account. The $900 will only be invisible from your remaining balance, and this is what we called the temporary hold. On the fifth day, when you want to check out from the hotel, the $900 will be posted back on your statement transaction as reconciliation as the second step. Immediately after it is posted as reconciliation, the third step will appear as finalization. If you broke something from the hotel room, the finalized amount could be $900. But if you did not break anything, the finalized amount would only be $750, and the $150 will be added back to your remaining balance. If you wish to give a tips for the hotel staff, it could be added to the finalized amount from $150, or you would want to give it the whole $150. But what if you decided to change the hotel on the first day and they already swipe your card and the $900 is already posted on your card statement transaction as POS pre-authorization? Then this will be the moment that some of you get disappointed because the hotel, neither the bank, cannot release back the $900 into your running balance. Temporary hold time frame depends on the merchant. Some hotels are putting the hold for 10 or 14 days. In case you cancel the transactions, you need to wait for that time frame before the held amount will be released back to your running balance. After the time frame hold, the $900 will be posted as reconciliation, and the $900 will be added back to your running balance as it is, without any charge, and no finalization will occur. Having no charge for canceled transactions is really the essence of temporary hold. The only disadvantage is you have to wait for the time frame hold to finish because there is no other way to break that rules. In case the pre-authorization amount will not release back to your running balance after the time frame hold, you may call the customer service hotline of the bank and request to manually release the temporary hold. You just need to wait the ticket process requested by the customer service representative to banking staff to be done by several hours or the other day if the request was placed beyond banking hours or weekends and holidays. To avoid the doubled amount of temporary hold, make sure that the merchant will only swipe your card once, because swiping repeatedly will double the hold amount so long that your card has a sufficient available balance. If the amount of $900 is doubled and you change your hotel, you cannot use $1,800 from your card to make another transactions unless the time frame hold is done and the amount is released. Some merchant temporary hold time frame lasts for 3, 5, 7, 10, and 14-day hold. Hotels temporary hold is usually 14 days, and travel agencies that handles an airlines is usually the longest, which is 21-day hold. Temporary hold is also one way for the merchant to check your card if there is enough available balance to cover the transactions, similar to deposit prior to settlement. If you use your card at the gas pump, the machine will not know how much gas you are going to pump. In this type of transactions, your card will be charged of $100 as temporary hold. Some gas pump will charge $75. If you pump worth of $20 gas, the $80 will be released back to your running balance either on the same day or after 3-day hold. To avoid this, you can go inside of the gas station and give your card to a cashier, and then they will only charge your card for the actual price of the gas that you pump immediately. Car rentals is similar to hotels. They will put you 15 to 20% incidental charges, but no worries. So long that you did not break the mirror or seat of the car, 20% held amount will be released back to your running balance. I hope this video helped you knowing banking. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.